foodies, welcome back to Tummy Hunt. Today we're making a twist on a box macaroni and cheese. The ingredients we are using for today's recipe are milk, boxed macaroni and cheese, 4 cheeses, Asiago, Fontina, Parmesan, and provolone, unsalted butter, crackers, onion, and sweet pepper. Now let's get cracking. Please cook your macaroni and cheese based on the direction on the box. Now place 3 ounces of butter in your saute pan or frying pan and just swirl it around in order to help it melt faster and spread all over the pan. Once the butter is completely melted, we'll be adding our onions and sweet pepper, which I diced off camera. We are going to stir it around to help it be fully covered with the butter. Now we're going to leave that mixture in the frying pan until the onion becomes a golden color. In the meanwhile, finely crush your crackers because we'll be using it next. Now we're going to add your pack of crushed crackers to your onion and sweet pepper mixture. Stir it around so that everything can be mixed evenly. Hey guys, while editing I realized I did not tell you what temperature you were supposed to preheat your oven to. So please preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks. Once that is complete, please retrieve your macaroni and cheese that you have been cooking in the background. Look at that, guys, isn't it just beautiful? And now get your crackers mixture and your baking dish that you're going to use. We're going to combine everything at this moment. Now please empty all your macaroni and cheese in the baking dish. Okay, now I'm just going to make sure that everything is evenly spread in here. I don't want any side to be bigger than the other. And now get your cheese and sprinkle a bit of it on top of the macaroni. If you don't have any of the cheeses I listed earlier, you can use cheddar cheese or mozzarella or both, or anything that you have on hand that can melt. That would be great. Then add your crackers mixture on top of that. Just add all of it. Evenly spread your crackers mixture on top of your mac and cheese. Now add a next layer of cheese on top of that. And now once that is finished, we are going to put this in the oven for a quick 10 minutes. This is our end result. I'm just gonna cut a slice of it for you guys to see it. It's time for the moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Now this is my twist on macaroni and cheese. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please send me a picture on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description below. And And remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Toodles.